Hey guys, this is Code with Shirt. Today we're going to be making this Rock Dodger game. First, let's create a new project. Now, let's make our background, basically. So, first, we're going to make our grass. Just like this. And then we're going to change this to a nice brownish color. So I'm going to change it to some orange. Now some brown. Change the brown a little. I like this brown. And I'm going to just make a wall just like this. And then use the reshape tool. Reshape it. Copy it, paste it, flip it. And then now you have one background. And in the backdrops, choose backdrop, blue sky. Now we need to make our rock. I'm going to make mine 66 by 66. So first I make mine start off. Bring green flag is clicked. Forever. Wait 2 seconds. Try to clone myself. I'm gonna start out as a clone. Show. Put here. Hide. And also I forgot change the size to 70. And then now we need to set. I'm going to go side for this sprite only, I'm pretty sure. When and now we're gonna set side to pick random 1 to 2. Now we're gonna do if equal side 1. Then we're going to do point in direction 90, go to -77. So x -177 and y 198. Repeat and repeat until touching touching sprite 1. And also we need to move 3 steps. And before that, change y by -10. As you can see, it doesn't work, since that's because my slope here is a little bit too big. We have to reshape it back a little, like this. Delete this, copy. And now, okay, just make it a little bit more squish. There. And now we just need to duplicate this. Wait, not yet. Repeat. And then move 5 steps. Repeat until touching color this, and then start sound coin. And then we need a variable called score. Change score by 1, and then delete this clone. Now we duplicate it, and we just need to change a few things. First, change this to 2, change this to -90, change x to 177. Now, if you see, and now I just need to make the player. Paint, I'm making my player at 35 by 35. I'm gonna make it a bright neon green. There. We started out. So when green flag is clicked, go to 0, -160, 16, forever. If up arrow is pressed, if key up arrow is pressed, and make a new variable called YV, and then we first set YV to 10. And then we repeat 15, and then we change y by yv, and then set yv. So it's set yv to yv times 0.9. Duplicate this, change yv to 1, and change this to minus 0.85. Change this to 13, and then let's change this to 0. Change this to yv 0, yv minus 0 minus yv. Now we press up arrow. As you see, I forgot it has to be a plus. So boom, boom. And also, as you see, mine, it doesn't go that high. That's because my ground, if I make my ground a little bit higher, but like that, then it's good. Boom, boom. Okay, and also now, when green flag is clicked, forever, make a new variable called xv, change xv, then we want to get a minus, key right arrow, and then key minus key left arrow. Set xv to xv times 0.9, and then we do change x by xv. Now, as you see, we can move, and then we'll jump. But you see, this is really weird, and the player can just stay here and earn points. So, in the player, we can just do when green flag is clicked, forever, if touching color this brown color, stop all, and then choose a sound and call it a wobble, and I can make it louder. Play wobble until done, and then boom. And lose, so that means if we just do lose. And now we just show our score, and also we need to set our score to 0. And then finally, our background music, when green flag is clicked, forever. And I'm gonna show the sounds, loops. I'm gonna do dance snare beat, and then play dance snare beat until done. As you can see, now we can lose and keep track of our score and resets it, and then And that's it. And this is the end of today's video.